So in this video we are using here a light blue, white and orange sheet in this way. So here we are actually making a coconut tree and using this brown sheet to make the coconut in the tree. It's ready. In the next we are using this different color stuff. It's basically a strip and putting the box so it will shape like a parachute. Putting the scenery around it. It's ready. In the next we are using here a brown sheet and cut it in the shape of pot. Now using this string and putting it in this way. Now using this pink sheet and making a cut, rolling it up so it will shape like a flower and putting it into the appropriate manner. Now using this green sheet to make a leaf. In the next we are using here a pink sheet and making a cut in the circle, and now putting this small circle to make its ear, making its mouth. So any guesses what it is? It's a pig face. In the next we are using here a printed sheet to make the pot and putting it over the light blue sheet. Now using this green strip to make the stem. Now using the different kind of small sheet to make a flower in this way, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a small yellow sheet and making a fold with the help of hand. Now using the same color of sheet and making a cut in this way and putting all the circular sheet in between so it will shape like this. Now making a flower and putting the green stem, putting the leaf, so it's ready. In the next we are again using the light blue sheet and making a pot of the green and putting this all stem, a green stem in this shape over it. Now using this peanut shell to make a flower and putting this color, basically red color, making a scenery around it. It's ready. In the next we are using here a small sheet and making a circle. Now putting it over this sheet so it will shape like a honeybee body and making its face, putting the string. We are using here a white sheet to make its wing. It's ready. In the next we are again using the light blue sheet. Now we are putting this pot of the dark blue over this sheet. Now using this red strip and rolling it with the help of fingers so it will shape like a heart. Putting more heart like that and spreading it all over the sheet. Now using this green strip and connecting it with the heart shaped sheet so it will work like a stem. It's ready. In the next we are using here orange sheet and pink sheet to make a cartoon face of the pig, making its head, its leg, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a black sheet and putting the green sheet over. Now we are rolling the each green sheet in this way and making a line in between the green sheet stick, between the green sticks so it will shape like a bamboo, putting the leaf over it, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a yellow sheet and making a shape like structure so it will shape like a cat. Now using this sheet, printed sheet, to make a cone. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.